Slowly take your both feet together, look forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side, bend forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Last one. Exhale, slowly go forward. Hold, stay, keep normal breathing. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Keep your both legs straight. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly twist your body left side. Look back. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly twist your body right side. Look back. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, drop your both palm. Now from here, slowly bend your right leg back side and keep your left leg straight. Look forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, one more time. Slowly bend forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, go forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, go forward. Keep your left leg straight. Now inhale, exhale, bend forward. Last one. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm, bend forward. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, keep your left leg straight. 3, keep normal breathing. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale. Now from here, slowly bend your both elbow, catch your left ankle, look up. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, slowly open your chest, look up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly turn your body left side, drop your both palm behind your hip and slowly drop your forehead. Hold. 1, 2, keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, drop your both palm. Now from here, slowly bend your left leg, look forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand and slowly interlock your finger. Exhale, slowly bend your body left side, look up. Hold, stay, keep your both hands straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, come center. Exhale, slowly bend your body right side, look up. Hold. 1. Stretch your arm, stretch your shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, come center, release your both palm. Exhale, slowly drop your right palm behind your hip and slowly lift your hip up. Bend your spine, push your hip forward, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly drop your hip. Inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side, bend forward. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, drop your chest, drop your chin. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Once again, exhale, slowly turn your body left side, twist here, look back, hold, stay up. Open your chest, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, drop your both palm and slowly take your both leg front side. Relax here. Shake your legs, shake your hand. Now from here, slowly bend your left leg, back side. Keep your right leg straight. Look forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side. Bend forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly go forward. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly go forward. Now inhale, exhale. Last one. Now inhale, raise your both hands, look forward. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side, go forward. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand and exhale slowly from a bend your both elbow, catch your right ankle and slowly look up. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, open your chest, slowly look up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly turn your body right side, drop your both palm behind your hip and slowly drop your forehead. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, drop your both palm. Now from here, slowly bend your right leg. Look forward. Keep your spine straight. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Slowly interlock your finger. Exhale, slowly bend your body right side. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, come center. Exhale, slowly bend your body left side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come center. Release your both palm. Exhale, slowly drop your left palm behind your hip and slowly lift your hip up. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, slowly push your hip forward. Bend your spine. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly drop your hip. Inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm front side. Bend forward. Drop your chest, drop your chin. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Keep normal breathing. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand and exhale. Slowly turn your body right side. Twist here. Look back. Hold. Stay up. 1, 2, 3. Open your chest. 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, raise your both hand. Exhale, slowly drop your both palm. Take your both leg front side. Shake your leg, shake your hand. Relax here. Now from here, slowly bend your both knee. Drop your both palm front side. Drop your hip and slowly come to child pose. Keep your both hands straight. Hold, stay up. 1, 2. Keep normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, slowly look forward. Drop your both palm front side. Come to cat pose. Keep your shoulder and wrist one line. Look forward. Now inhale, slowly your head up. Look up. Exhale, slowly drop your chin. Look at your navel. Now inhale, look up. Exhale, drop your chin. Squeeze your belly. Now inhale up. Exhale down. Now inhale, look up. Open your shoulder. Exhale, slowly drop your chin. Squeeze your belly. Now inhale, look up. Hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, slowly drop your chin. Look down. Hold, stay up. Look at your navel. Squeeze your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, look forward. Now from here, follow me. Now slowly take your left leg right side. Keep your leg straight and slowly turn your right foot right side. Now inhale, slowly lift your left hand. Hold, stay up. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from here, slowly lift your left leg and slowly bend your leg. Catch your left foot. Now inhale, look up. Hold, stay up. Stretch your leg. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Slowly drop your palm, drop your leg. Now from here, change your side. Slowly take your right foot left side and slowly turn your left feet left side. Now inhale, lift your right hand, look up, hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly lift your right leg, catch your right foot. Now inhale, slowly look up, stretch your leg, hold, stay up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Slowly drop your palm, drop your leg. Look forward. Now inhale and exhale. Slowly go back. Child pose. Relax here. 1. Keep normal.